TV? What happened to my TV? No, what happened? Her TV isn't missing. You know it's missing. Her TV is missing. Well, I guess I'll go pee. Yeah, this is the life. Oh, I think it's time for me to go to sleep. In her dream. Good morning. Wake up, wake up, wake up! We gotta get out of the house! Quick, Santa! Let's not go to the mental hospital. Here we go! The mall's closed! The bunnies are still alive, but not willing to be happy. So there may not be more episodes of Bunny Family. Sorry for the inconvenience, folks. They died.